Hello everyone and welcome to SmartRepricer Basic Learning Series. Today we are going to talk about low inventory fee. What is low inventory fee? How we can use the low inventory fee features on SmartRepricer? How can we control our inventory and how can we create automated strategies, assign them, change them by using SmartRepricer workflow feature. But before starting that, let's start to talk about what is low inventory fee. So it's just low inventory fee is a charge applied by Amazon to sellers who consistently maintain low inventory levels for their products in Amazon fulfillment centers. This fee is intended to encourage the sellers to keep sufficient stock to ensure timely delivery and prevent stock outs, which can negatively impact customer satisfaction. What is the trigger? Well, the trigger in here, the low inventory fee is triggered when a product's historical days of supply, based on average daily inventory units divided by average daily shipped units, falls below 28 days, both in short term, 30 days, and long term, it can be 90 days periods. So it's just basically this information can give us, okay, this is the low inventory fee. Okay, this is how we can also calculate, but how it looks like on SmartRepricer and how SmartRepricer can calculate your low inventory fee. So in the SmartRepricer, when you click any of the product on your inventory, on the fee section, you will be able to see your referral fee, FBA fee, variable closing, per item fee, monthly storage fee, and low inventory fee. So that's how you can be sure these are the my expected fee depending before I sell, and it can be changed when you are also sell, but it is also shows you this is the low inventory fee percentage or number or the price that even when you sell or list on the product on SmartRepricer. So okay, now we understand how SmartRepricer calculate this low inventory fee. So our new feature automatically calculates the low inventory fee using the data directly from Amazon. So this calculated fee is then seamlessly included per order in your sales price, and also depending of your sales price, eliminating the need for manual adjustment. So in the next video we are going to use low inventory fee, how can we effectively use by creating workflow, but it is also shows that you can also create a lot of text about the low inventory fee and you can see that. And lastly, before we learn how SmartRepricer calculate this low inventory fee, let's get I show you one more time how you can see low inventory fee rate. You can easily find this information displayed on your listing page under the fees column. This visibility empowers you to make the informed decision about your inventory management strategies. And also, if you want to dive deep about your products and if you want to classify them, you can create a lot of text. In our next video, we are going to apply some rules for inventory products. And with by creating workflow, we are going to talk about how we can use on SmartRepricer and how can we automate it. See you in our next video.